Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoom for LinkedIn Live Sessions step by step clearly. To register with Zoom for LinkedIn Live Sessions, first, open your preferred web browser. Go to the Zoom website at zoom.us. If you already have a Zoom account, click on Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then click Sign In. If you do not have an account yet, click on Sign Up Free to create one. Enter your email address and click Sign Up. Follow the prompts to verify your email address. Once verified, log in to your new Zoom account. After logging in, click on Schedule a Meeting in the top right corner. Fill in the meeting details such as topic, date, and time. Ensure that the Use Personal Meeting ID option is selected if you want to use your personal link. Scroll down to the Meeting Options section. Enable live streaming and select Custom Live Streaming Service. Next, open a new tab and go to the LinkedIn Live application page. Make sure your LinkedIn profile is eligible for live streaming. Once verified, find the stream key and URL under the live streaming setup options. Copy the stream key and URL from LinkedIn. Return to your Zoom meeting settings. Paste the stream URL in the streaming URL field. Paste the stream key in the streaming key field. Click on Save to store your settings. When it's time for your live session, return to your Zoom meeting. Click Start Meeting to begin. Once in the meeting, click on More in the meeting controls. Select Live on Custom Live Streaming Service. Your LinkedIn Live session will then begin. You are now live on LinkedIn, engaging with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.